Hey, welcome to my kitchen. I ended up choosing rice for my neck bones. And I got smoked neck bone, smoked turkey necks. My best friend coming to get her a plate. She is. Yeah. So I did some white rice. I did white rice. Good. It looks so good, don't it? Fixed Tweety Bird and her old man a plate. Yup. I got some cornbread. I got some macaroni and cheese in here. I season my macaroni and cheese. It's got a good flavor to it. Tastes real good. I used 2 noodles because I was cooking for 4 people. So I end up mixing the noodles just so I can have enough for 4 people. Macaroni and cheese got a great flavor, great flavor. Cornbread have a great flavor. Yes, it does. And then I made some pork chops on the side. You always got to have some crispy on a Sunday. When you're cooking dinner, having something crispy on a Sunday, woo! Hit the spot. Happy Sunday, y'all. So I got pork chops, cornbread, mac and cheese, and my best friend is coming to get her a plate for her and her old man. My best friend come to get her a plate, come and get 2 plates. Here go my nice cornbread. Tastes good and it smells good. Here is my rice, girl. Ooh, it smells so good. I ended up using white rice, honey. It's all done. Yes, it is. Let me taste it for you. It's real good. It ain't salty. Nope, it's not salty at all. It's very good. It's very good. I didn't over season it. And it tastes, look how tender it is. Yeah, girl. Tastes so good. It's so good. It tastes real good. Get your crock pot. Boil your meat. Let it cook for 8 hours. Then you put your rice in there. And then your rice gonna cook. And it's gonna look like this, girl. Yes, you can also cook this meal overnight. Like you can put your meat on, put it in your crock pot, and go to bed. Go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, girl, you gonna have a good pot of food ready to eat. This is the nozzles. It's off. This to keep it warm when you got company coming and you just want dinner to stay warm. You can leave it right there. If you're going to work and you want to cook your food, you can put it on low When you come home, it'll be good and ready. You can just put it on high just to speed it up because now you home. Everything should be done, but now you home and you can put your rice in there when you get home. Put your rice in there when you get home. And that's what your meal, and then your meal gonna be ready. It don't take rice for about 5 minutes to cook. It take rice about 5 minutes to cook, girl. So you got you some smoked turkey necks and some rice with some butter. Ooh, good. Taste too good. Get you some cornbread. Cornbread always make it good. Growed up on cornbread. And here go my macaroni and cheese. It's good and ready. And here go my pork chop. It's so good. It's not salty. No, it's not salty at all. It's just good and crispy. Yup. Welcome to my kitchen. Eat dinner with me. My husband coming over too. I cook for me, myself, my husband, and my best friend, and her guy friend. She got a male friend. She invited him over, so we will be eating dinner together. This right here smells so damn good. Got the whole house smelling good. Put your rice on when you get home. And then just put your lid on there. And girl, your dinner gonna be good. Yep. Welcome to my kitchen. Invest into a crock pot. Because when you get home, your husband want a good meal. Your husband and your whole entire family need to be able to eat a good meal when y'all come home. So get you one. Get you a crock pot. Girl, get you one of these crock pot, girl. Girl, you cook everything in here. Everything. You can go to work and come home, dinner ready. Dinner ready. Yes, it is. Welcome to my kitchen. Thank y'all for being here. I see y'all next time. Bye.